What is a linear equation? A linear equation, when graphed, produces a straight line. It can be a horizontal line, it can be a vertical line, or it can be any sort of diagonal line. The only requirement is that we don't have any kinks or bends. It's just a straight line. Now that we know what a linear equation looks like, let's talk about its mathematical properties. A linear equation is any combination of x's, y's, and constants, also known as numbers. Here are some examples of things that are linear equations. We've got 2x minus y equals 5. Y equals negative 1/2 x plus 10. X minus 3 equals 4y plus 2. X minus 12 equals 0. Notice that we don't have to have a y for it to be a linear equation. And likewise, we don't have to have an x either. Y equals 6 is just fine too. Now, let's look at an example of some things that are not linear equations. Here's one. Y squared minus 4 equals x. This isn't a linear equation because we have a y squared term. We need to have just a y or just an x term. They can't be squared, cubed, or square rooted, cube rooted, anything like that. We need just a plain x and a plain y. It's okay to have a number in front of them like 2x or 3x, 4y. Just no exponents. Here's another example. 1 over x equals y. We don't want to be dividing by any variables either. This makes this equation not linear. And if you're real sharp, you'll remember that dividing by a variable is actually a negative exponent. 1 over x is equal to x to the negative first. And we don't want any exponents with linear equations. xy equals 5. We don't want to multiply our variables together either. This makes this not a linear equation. So remember, a linear equation is any sum or difference of x's, y's, and constants. And sometimes the x's and y's will have numbers in front of them called coefficients. Next time, we're going to learn what slope-intercept form is and how to graph a linear equation.